Okay, so we're asked to use a graphing calculator to find the exponential equation that includes the points 2, 24.8 and the 0.5, 198.4. Alright, so instead of using a graphing calculator, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to get the exponential equation on this. Okay, so here's Desmos, and to do this here, what we're going to do is click the plus sign in the upper left hand corner here, and we're going to add a table. And for x1, we're going to type in the point order pair 2, 24.8, and for the second order pair, we'll type in 5, 198.4. Okay, so then on Desmos here, you can see that there's this little icon here, and we're going to add a regression. So we're going to click on that button there. And we don't want a linear regression. What we want is an exponential regression. So we'll use the drop-down menu and select the exponential regression. And you can see here that our A is 6.2 and our base, or B, is 2. And the equation would be f of x equal to 6.2 times 2 to the x. And that's how you get the linear regression equation.